Good night, and my name is John Rodriguez, and I am currently studying system engineering, and I am going to give the description to the activity for requires for this collaborative work, and in which it will guide in description of restaurants Kiev or name the general. I like it for the food, the cook, and delicious, the attention and cleanliness on the place, and great possible things for the business. And I am uh, visit my family and my wife and my son, and Omendays meals were prepared with potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, with natural juice, such and lemon, orange, and tranquility of music, relax, make it one of the best restaurants in city. Um, I am a favorite and special moments and happy birthdays, happy birthdays, especially activities and visits in, in the city. Regards. Good night.